Meet Bob. Bob is a principal mass spec scientist in his biopharma group. He's leading his team to implement MAM 2.0. Data management and method transfer from development to QC are the key parts of Bob's job. Unfortunately, manual data transfer can be time-consuming and labor-intensive, since a lack of instrument platform continuity means most work needs to be redone. Ultimately, it can be downright frustrating. That's why we've created a chromatography and mass spectrometry ecosystem that enables seamless deployment of MAM from characterization to QC in a secure and compliant environment. With MAM 2.0, Bob can start a batch of data acquisition at any time. Bob's data is automatically uploaded, so he can make it to the park on time even if he starts a batch late in his workday. After a fun afternoon at the park, Bob can go home and get back to data processing. Bob's data is securely saved until he's ready to review them. When Bob gets back to work, he can view his results anywhere, anytime. At this point, Bob can characterize and select product quality attributes, set up processing methods, and generate reports. Bob can also share his product quality attributes list and processing method with his team, who are able to review and implement them on other Thermo scientific mass spectrometers. Once Bob's team compiles the critical quality attribute list, they can build a complete MAM e-workflow containing the acquisition method, processing method, and reporting templates. They can then send it to Heidi in QC. Bob and Heidi both use a mass spectrometer built with Orbitrap technology, which means that Heidi can easily and consistently replicate Bob's results. Finally, Heidi can download the MAM e-workflow onto her computer and execute with just a few clicks. And to ensure the 21 CFR Part 11 regulation is met, all actions are recorded in an audit trail. MAM 2.0 lets you safely transfer data anytime, anywhere, faster than ever before, and helps you seamlessly transfer your project from development to QC.